Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, so Bliv 1761. I don't know if there's been some sort of server issue this morning because I don't seem to have any game record if I look at the history. Does anyone else? 2. It doesn't seem as though I think something might have gone wrong. I don't know. And this guy's not moving either. Okay. Take the pawn. No, you want to. Okay, give me some dark square play. So, bishop c5 looks good. Try and stop him castling on that side. Was he going to double my pawns? Then I've also got g-file, knight f4 as well. Something like knight f4, rook g8, stuff like that. F5 might be a good idea. Okay, I'll probably just take that. Then F5. Let's play F4 here. It looks like a nice position. F5 to follow, or he's going to get the E4 square. Don't want to give him that E4 square for a knight. Let's check here. Maybe Queen A4 or Queen G4. Queen G4. If I get this pressure on H4, there's Queen F1 if he doesn't want the train of queens. I suppose, yeah, that could have been naughty with Queen B5. If I just double here, looks very nice. The bishop's kind of controlling the knight a little bit. Oh, he just resigns. I got 2 points. I don't know what's happened to the server. I'm not sure we were correctly matched, to be honest. Maybe, I don't know, it's a bit odd. But anyway, I mean, it's a bit early in the morning as well. Could he have just taken here, maybe? Alright, that should be okay for me. Okay. Yeah, I didn't seem to have too many problems here. It's giving me that potentially dangerous dark square bishop. And now, potentially, yeah, that's a rack, the double pawns, of course. I didn't think I had too many problems. Queen at F1, F3, right, and if here, I can take on E4, yes, that's tricky. If here, right, it looks as though black's doing well there. Okay, so, yeah, I mean, it didn't seem to be a big deal, this, no issues really to solve that. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.